You know what I think, Al? We should get out of the city more often, yeah. Feels so good to be out here, no?
Yeah.
Al, you're really missing this.
Oh my yaar, Sam. It's easy to hai. What is there to miss in that?
Al? Alicia!
What?
Leopard!
What?
It was a leopard!
Really?
You think I'm kidding here?
Damn, I missed it.
Like it up my phone mein.
Yeah. Now you'll tease me because I missed it.
But see, you didn't really miss it though.
Matlab?
You remember this? Everything gets captured in this dash cam.
Oh. Can you send this to me?
Yeah, sure. So you can make another reel, yeah?
Now never miss any moment. Hyundai Exter features dashcam with dual camera. Think outside. Think Exter.